came around to say hello. One, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Sometimes I just feel like saying, elementary, my dear Watson. LPG connections don't have to rise at the same pace as they did during UPA because there is PNG now happening. Probably a detail that has missed your attention. And in the last 10 days, the country has added about 4 lakh such connections. And the target over the next 10 days is about 15 lakh more PNG connections that will be given. Piped natural gas is reaching everyone. But that is not the problem that was stated in the meeting. Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, what is the biggest problem for the Congress party and other opposition parties like the Samajwadi party? Their problem is, why is Pakistan mediating? Why are we the bystanders? Can you please respond to that worry, which is really gnawing the insides of the opposition?
Actually, the problem with opposition is that the only interest of opposition is the anti-India interest. And the same case is with Pakistan. Even Pakistan's prime minister and presidents have openly accepted it. You remember the video of General Musharraf who has said that we keep on doing the dirty work for America for over a decade. Same thing was said by former Prime Minister Imran Khan. Same thing was said by Nawaz Sharif. कि वो वाजपेयी जी आए थे, मुआहदा उन्होंने किया, खिलाफ वर्जी हमने की और हमने अमेरिका के साथ मिलकर जो किया। भाई साहब जो बोलते हैं वो आपके समझ में नहीं आता है। अब now you can imagine which type of dirty work or which type of work they would have been assigned to do whatever it is. दूसरी तरफ आसिफ मुनीर ओपनली बोलता है कि कलमे की नमाज पर 2 ही हुकूमतें कायम हुई, एक हुकूमत मदीना और हुकूमत पाकिस्तान। ये कहते साहब हिंदू महासभा ने बनवाया। मतलब जो पाकिस्तान बोलता है उसको भी एक्सेप्ट करने को तैयार नहीं होते हैं। एंड वन मोर थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू से, as far as conflict with Tehran and others are concerned, it's a conflict between the Muslim countries. And as far as Pakistan and Iran's relation is concerned, it's not very good since Ayatollah Khomeini has taken over and Pakistan was considered to be an US ally. और दूसरी बात हम ये कहना चाहते हैं कि मीडिएटर और मुखबिर में अंतर होता है। आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए, ट्रंप हैज प्रपोज्ड that there should be a combined force of Muslim countries for Gaza, and in which he expects that Pakistan should be a part of it. Now you can imagine in what soup Pakistan army will be if they have to send a reconstruction force or restoration force in Gaza, in which Pakistan is likely to be there. तो वो कैसे कैसे प्रेशर में होंगे अमेरिका के, समझा जा सकता है। बट दूसरी बात, तहसीन पूनावाला जी ने कहा कि 53 में कोरियन वार नेहरू जी ने रुकवा दी थी। तहसीन भाई, कैन यू कोट एनी स्टेटमेंट बाय नॉर्थ कोरिया और साउथ कोरिया और बाय रशिया, यूएसएसआर और अमेरिका दैट नेहरू हैज ब्रोकर्ड द पीस between North and South Korea, and North and South Korea still are fighting. They are not having good terms at all, and there is a permanent tension on that. But according to you, it is being done 70 years back by Jawaharlal Nehru. This is the hypocrisy which you people are having. And one more thing on the issue of LPG gas, sir, do you know when our government came, how many LPG cylinders were there in the country? 11 crores. Now it is 36 crores, more than 3 times. There are 16 crores Ujjwala cylinders were given. Those women, अगर उनको नहीं मिला होता तो आज भी वो लकड़ी जला रही होती. Thanks to Modi government that they are having the Ujjwala cylinders, and government has given assurance that there is no crisis. And one more fact has come, that after this situation emerged, within 3 days, the booking of LPG rose to 94%. Yani within 3 days, the booking became double. So that's why there an issue has came. And as far as holding and other things are concerned, it is related to the state government also. And one last sentence I would like to say, Poonawala bhai, you say that you are concerned with the people. Then the only government which has raised, state government which has raised the tax on LPG is Himachal government. Why?
Because they worry so much about the people of India. No, Tehseen, hold on. Tehseen, hold on. You'll have to wait for your turn. There are other people from other political parties who also have a view. And